I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one prime creator. Let's take a look at markets here, September 1st, 2021, and I'm gonna go take a look at a stock here. In this educational video, I'm gonna be discussing two key levels. This is the 2-year weekly chart. For this instrument, it is all data weekly. Now, as the market is trading essentially at all-time highs, here is an instrument representing some area, some sector of the market, of all world markets, that is down recently, as we can see, down recently, while the market itself essentially is trading at the top right corner of the charts. Markets globally trading at all-time highs. So I want to discuss two levels in this video. And again, from an educational standpoint, the two levels are RSI 61.8 and its counterpart, the opposite number, 38.2. And try and explain what we can expect in the coming weeks for this instrument. Now, it should be self-evident that when the instrument has had a run, this has come with the RSI trading above 61.8. And we can even see evidence of recapturing the 61.8 threshold, becoming support here. And we can see what happened when we broke below it, which is this area signifying this drop. We try and recapture it here. We are rejected with uniform action. That's a reversal period there at the beginning of 2021. And notice what happens to prices when we drop below that level, which is this move. It's another way of saying, as the RSI is coming back to this area of 38.2-ish, that if there's going to be a true recovery price is going to need the weekly RSI to move above 38.2. Even as it is up about 24% for this week, we have to be vigilant around here for the possibility of reversal. And if it starts pointing down, in other words, if RSI 38.2 becomes a reversal area, chances are the next meaningful direction is going to be down. And again, in this video, I only took a look at RSI 61.8 and RSI 38.2 from an educational standpoint. Of course, there's more to this chart. We can take a look at other time frames, but for this quick video, those two levels are sufficient to understand the next meaningful trend direction for this instrument. So be it. I am Eric Muathe. It is a great joy to leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator, Adonai.